I'm Rosa, and I'm from Denmark, a teacher from Denmark. We come from a school in Denmark where there is 700 students, so this school is much bigger. And my students have learned a lot about photosynthesis and learn about how we need the forest and how we protect the forest, and how a little about how much forest we have in Denmark and compared to how much forest we have in Italy. And yeah, they learn. Thank you for now.
My name is Nils. I'm from Denmark, and in this week we're in Italy in a project with some student exchange with some Italian guys. It's Science Week, and it's very exciting, and I learn a few new things about science and other stuff.
My name is Matilde. Me and my class, we've been in Denmark in November, and we prepared the projects for the Science Week, and now we are having the Science Week with the Danish students, and it's really interesting.
Hello, my name is Mille, and I'm from Denmark, and we have a project about photosynthesis.
My name is Dita, and I'm from Denmark too. And yeah, the Italians have been in Denmark, and now we are in Italy at the Science Week, and it's really interesting. And we have learned a lot of new stuff about science.
Yeah. Hello, my name is Caroline, and I also think it's very interesting to be here because it's very different from in Denmark, and the school is so big, and we've learned a lot of new things.
Hello, my name is Alessandro. I come from Italy, and we use this project with a social platform called eTwinning. This is really interesting because we know other culture. Daphne have an acronym, and this means defending, adopting, protecting heritage and environment. We plant in this country two different plant seeds, and in Denmark outdoor the seeds doesn't grow because maybe it's frozen, but in Italy we plant tomatoes, beans, and they grow.
Yeah, the plants we planted in Denmark, we planted one in the indoor and on the outside. The plants we planted outside, they were not growing as well as the ones we put in the pots inside, because in Denmark we have a lot of frozen weather, and we had snow, and it doesn't grow as good as indoor. But we had the results, and we made some collages with pictures on them. So we have the results with us to Italy. So it's been a very good project with some cultural exchange. So I'm very happy with it.